Congratulations on your purchase of FlexShade ZIP Motorized Shades by Draper Incorporated. This video will cover limit setting for proper operation of the shade. For instructions on proper product installation and mounting of the FlexShade ZIP Motorized Shade, please see the previous instructional videos in this series. Please watch the entire video carefully before beginning the limit setting process. You can download a more detailed PDF version of these instructions at draperinc.com. To begin programming with your remote, you must first assign a transmitter channel to the motor you will be programming. To do this, connect power to only one motor at a time. Select a transmitter channel to assign to this motor. Simultaneously hold the up and down buttons until the motor jogs, and then release the buttons. Verify the motor direction by pressing the up or down button and note whether the motor moves in the correct manner. To reverse the direction, hold the My/Stop button for 5 seconds until the motor jogs. Please note, failure to complete this step can only be corrected with a motor reset. Next, position the shade to the desired upper limit position. Once the shade has been set to the desired upper limit position, simultaneously hold the My/Stop and the down buttons until the shade begins to move. Release the buttons when the shade is near the desired lower limit. Use the up and down buttons to move the shade to the desired lower limit position. The down limit should be set only low enough for the full weight of the bottom hem bar to remain on the fabric. Setting the limit too low will result in fabric fullness or wrinkles. It may be necessary to readjust the limit if it is set too low. When the shade is at the desired lower limit, simultaneously hold the up and My/Stop buttons until the shade begins to move up, then release the buttons. The shade should return to the upper limit position and stop. To complete limit setting for this shade, hold the My/Stop button for 5 seconds until the motor jogs. Finally, put the motor into user mode by pressing the small programming button on the back of the transmitter until the motor jogs once more. If you have more than one motor to program, disconnect the power to the current motor and move to the next motor on site. Repeat the limit setting process until all shades have been individually programmed. Once you have programmed all of the shades, reconnect all motors to power. This concludes limit setting for the FlexShade ZIP Motorized Shade system. Your system is now fully operational. If you need further assistance, please contact Draper Inc. at 800-238-7999.